Hello, this is Jan with Blues Bird Toys. I have decided to change a couple things on the hearts in the balance toy. Previously, the toy had the two horizontal tubes were round, and now they're square, 5/8 inch square. This toy measures 13 inches high by 7 inches wide. It's for large birds, and it has welded O-rings throughout. The tubes here in the vertical tubes are 5/8 inch diameter. I would say that most macaws would do fine with this toy. Never know. Get a hyacinth or something. May or may not hold up, depending upon how your bird plays. But in any case, it's nicely constructed. It has 7/8 inch wide by 1 1/4 inch tags inside the bell cup. Little hearts, 1 inch hearts. Has beads, 2.0 millimeter chain. It's a popular toy on the website. Anyway, that's how it sounds. So if for some reason this does not hold up to your large bird, I want to know about it. Okay, thank you for watching. This is Jan with Blues Bird Toys.